Do you spend a lot of time reading ebooks on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? Here's a quick routine that helps protect your eyes while you read. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine. Now tap Discover, scroll down the screen. Under Get the Best Media Experience, select Read Comfortably. Here you will see the preloaded routine. In the If section, it shows App Open. Tap it. Choose the reading app you use. As the example, we will select Google Play Books. Then tap Done. In the 10 section, it's set to turn on eye comfort shield, and by default it's adaptive. This helps reduce blue light while you read. And in the when routine end section, the eye comfort shield will automatically return to the status it had before the routine started. At the bottom, you will notice 3 icons. Edit to adjust any part of the routine, share if you want to send it to someone else, and save to keep it in your routine list. Now, whenever you open your ebook app, in this case Google Play Books, eye comfort shield will turn on automatically so your eyes can stay comfortable during long reading session. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.